SACVIN makes consumer plastic products, industrial packaging, and construction plastic products for Nigeria and beyond. We have 5 manufacturing plants in Nigeria, 1 in India at the moment, and now we're ready for our next phase of growth. We manufacture over 1,200 SKUs from multi-locations with advanced bill of materials. Identifying what to stock, where to stock, when to produce, for who to produce can be quite complex and challenging. It was rather tough with the lack of visibility that we had within the business and access to information to make decisions. While we had certain information, getting all the pieces of the puzzle tied together was creating a lot of inefficiencies, and we didn't have access to information that we needed to run the business better. We chose NetSuite as a solution to us because it was the only 360-degree application at the time that gave us, from accounting to purchasing to manufacturing to reporting, all in one solution. And with a 10-year vision, that was clearly going to play to our advantage. We actually took the decision to go across the organization and implement the full NetSuite solution. So we literally built NetSuite into our backbone on our launch date. When we started NetSuite, we focused more on process and building that into the business. We have now evolved into actually looking into the data that's being captured through process. So now we've moved on to analyzing the data, utilizing suite scripts and suitelets to present data in a fashion that can be utilized for us to make better decisions and run the business in a better way. We have reports on items and item categories across all the SKUs with all the metrics one could think of for a particular item in terms of previous year sales, 2 years ago sales, 30-day sales, projected sales, for us to understand which products are doing well, which products need attention. We're able to now track what's going on the manufacturing floor as a result of data capture and pinpoint areas that needed improvement. We've reduced inventory across the board by 20%. We've driven production efficiency and increased production efficiency by close to 30%. We have everybody within the company accessing all the data of the company and having real-time information across the organization, allowing for better collaboration and better efficiency. NetSuite supported our growth in a significant fashion. When we first started, we were in 2 manufacturing sites. As a result of having NetSuite, we quadrupled our top line and moved into 5 manufacturing sites. This was all possible because of having this streamlined process that people knew what needed to be done, when they needed to be done, and we had a system that just gave us real-time visibility into what was going on in the business.